I'm here in Lombard, and I'm here with
Clarence Wilkie.
And what did you bring with you tonight, Clarence?
1967 Dodge Coronet RT.
And what is special about this car?
It is an original factory HEMI car.
Okay. And
very rare.
Very rare. And I was reading something in your book about this is the only year that...
Oh, that they had 14-inch Magnum wheels on it.
Okay. And
then they went to 15 after that.
15 after that, okay. And what can you tell me about the motor?
Oh.
What size?
426 cubic inch,
okay.
425 horse. It has 2 4-barrel carburetors.
Okay. Now, did you do any special work to this yourself?
When I purchased the vehicle, the body was already done.
Okay.
I redid the engine compartment, painted, took everything apart, painted it, and I redid the complete interior.
Okay. You want to show us the interior?
Oh, sure. This is very rare HEMI car because it was not purchased for drag racing. It has power disc brakes, power steering, power windows, bumper guards. It has most of the options available for this year. As far as interior, it's just standard bucket seats, automatic transmission with console.
The elephant represents what?
The engine. The 420.
I'll start over here.
Okay.
We're noticing a bunch of elephants on your car here. Now tell us what these elephants go for.
Okay, the 426 HEMI engine had a nickname. They called it the elephant motor because it was so big and strong.
Okay. We have a couple different little elephants here. And how long has the elephants been with you, since you had the car?
Pretty much. I've owned the car since 1999.
Oh, wow. Okay. Now, where are you from here?
I'm from Addison, Illinois.
Addison. Do you show the car a lot?
As much as I can.
Good. Good. She looks beautiful.
Thank you. I kept it as stock as possible.
Do you plan to make any changes to it at all? Or anything you want to do to it?
No, not really.
Really?
I think I already did.
Well, she's wonderful. Thank you so much for your time.
Oh, sure.
You can check out the video from tonight's event in your car on US Classic Muscle Cars.
Okay.
And we look forward to seeing you at more shows.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Little elephant.
I could be by. For you, I could be by. Live from US Classic Muscle Cars.